We're coming in at 2-0.
What he did last time we played, I would mark him.
Danny got the first point. I got the second. The hell? That's a demon child.
Yeah, it is.
It's a semen child.
Look at Grandpa Russ taking his time again.
Yeah. Did you see me point to the corner? Like I was coming in the middle and Drew was coming this way and the guy was on my right. I was like, Russ. I just pointed at the fucking corner cone. What the hell? Right. Oh my God.
Hey, set up. David.
Yeah.
Go. Look at that Cali look, man. Right, no. Stay behind him, Colin. Stay behind him. Colin. Stay behind him. What is that? What is that I hear? What is that? Hey, rip on my shirt. Spit on my chicken club.
Good patience! That's calculated.
Hot Get that back!
Yeah, I was not.
Hey, here's our 49!
I'm not the best defense.
Yeah, I was like 3 steps on.
Danny now! Go, Jay, go! Yeah, in, Jay. In. All the way. Let Jay out. Okay. Jay, you got it. Here comes Danny, here comes. In, Danny, in. Yes! Good, Danny. That's up.
Oh!
The way he just stopped right under his way.
He goes back?
And he just bited him. You got that?
Yeah.
Max you! Yeah, Carter. Back, yes.
Dude. Oh, okay.
Seal beers!
Go, Jen. Got Jen. All right. Cops! There you go.
Around Brock! Good. Got Brad back. Rock around!
There we go. Let's go, Light. Let's work it. Yep. Yeah, there you go. In it.
Get it back, boy!
Let's go, Light. Hot, David, hot. Do it. Oh.
Catch up!
What's up?
7-3.
Jason made another one.
Yeah, Danny. Nice, Danny. Beautiful. Chili. Chili. Cut back for him. Cut back for him. Look at me, son. Yeah, Dylan. There, Kirby. Who's back? Somebody back. Yeah, legit. There you go. Nope, Chili. Hey, nice one, Jay.
Let's play D. Watch big. No big. Up.
Clean?
Sorry. You're good.
Oh, yeah. That's all. That's all.
No, hellfish? Yeah, that's what you know.
Cut.
I wanted. I asked one of them if they wanted to do something like, no, bro.
Got right.
I understand that.
I got a tank top.
God motherfucking damn.
Hey, go get it, Colin!
Good line, South Carolina line.
Line.
It don't matter.
Hey, let's go light! Hey, we have a timeout if we want it!
Get there, Will. Get there.
No big, high hands. Peter, eat it. Yes.
Split Colin. Right here, Ty.
Good catch.
Got it, though.
Get back out there.
I wish I counted.
Yeah, who's back?
Go deep, Dustin. Go deep. Go hard, Dustin.
Flat push. Up line. Up. Yeah, legit.
Get there, Paul.
Good, Sonny, good!
Look at your handler.
Let's go!
Ricky's water!
Turn the music off.
Where's their guy Sasha?
Holy shit.
The scout. Interesting. Okay. See it, Trey.
6, 7, 8.
Way to get it off. Oh, shit. Oh, Kirby. Oh, my God.
You go, Curb.
Up on! Yes!
Phil. Yes, Jay.
Get out, Kurt, get out!
Oh,
He's so open. He was so open.
Yes, Sonny.
Holy hands.
A lot of arms there.
Yeah, that's basically how you're supposed to do it.
I feel like I haven't, like, it's kind of hard to start this sport, like, never playing in high school. Right. My freshman year. Keep it up! You're hot, Peter, you're hot!
Pick goal.
Stay with him, Sharpless. Good job. He needs cuts.
Is that 10-4?
Max, Sherwin, Lucas, Ty, Josh, Tyler, Sears.
Go, Schmitty. Go, right. I messed it up.
That's
Good, you got rest. Stay up. Good.
Get that shot. Get that, Brad. Get that. Hit it. Oh, I thought he almost got the bobble back.
Yeah, I think it's just reading it just like type that.
Literally,
I don't think you like physically did anything wrong. It was just
like me when I was 12. I was on my camera too.
I just don't want to hurt us anymore. That's what we're doing.
it was good offense. Like good offense is always thinking.
That's too far.
Good offense.
I mean,
Sonny, you!
Yeah, Noah! He just stretched his arm. He'll be straight. He's good. Where's it his knee? You need a medic? Hey, medic? Medic? Oh, he's just a medic. Strain something.
Medic!
No, it's fine. He just it's probably
he needs some milk.
Medic! Medic!
We just need a bag out.
We're playing fucking TF2. Medic! Medic!
You're playing Battlefield 5. What the fuck are you doing here, man? What do you help me?
Need a medic!
That's what it looked like based on the hobbling.
Danny, throw me in.
Someone get Hayden some cleats.
Dude, I was begging. Are you kidding me? Begging to go, dude.
The foot is pretty cool.
Yeah, Brad!
Brad is so icy.
That's 1, 2, 3.
Horses home!
Yeah, Johnny. Hot Brock, hot Brock. Nice. So it's 3 different tournaments going on right now.
Are you talking about how many fields there are?
Yeah. I mean, it's 7 for 3 tournaments. All right, Russ, time to cook.
Isn't it technically... Did you like count it as 7 or like 1, 2 for each thing?
Up!
We should do a fun... There should be a...
Yes! Let's go!
Sometimes you make mistakes.
There should be a fucking tournament in Greenville.
Fine, big mark. Big mark, Jackson.
We need a tournament
Hey, hot,
in Greenville.
Russ, hot.
So you don't have to drive.
No, there's a fucking soccer complex.
Up, get there, Russ.
There's a soccer complex.
David, look right.
What are we doing? Up!
There you go, Carter.
boy. Good, David. There you go. Good, good.
Come on, Danny.
Come on, Daniel.
Damn. Oh. Anywho.
I got chocolate on my gloves. What are you doing out here eating chocolate, bro? It's like 70 degrees. Colin, you got two. You got two. Good closeout. Nice travel.
Nice. Well done.
Good seal, David.
Good symbol. Hey, Josh, love, Johnny.
Like for your college? For like the company.
Nice. Red left.
Brad, seal. Hell yeah, Brad! Hell yeah!
That's my weatherman.
Damn, where the hell is that distance going?
Away.
Hey, bro, you need to cool it down a little bit.
Brad, make it cloudy.
Brad.
There you go, Danny.
Throw when you're hot. Look at David! Look at David!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
Oh my
Kirby.
gosh!
We have timeouts.
I don't think he got on that.
Jimmy Bowler returns to Miami.
Yeah!
Y'all are pretty much even now, right? 9-10? No.
7-10.
Come on, Colin. Catch it, D. Catch it. And then why would you hit it down?
Just get him in.
Josh, 6 foot in.
Come on, get 80J.
No big. Oh, wait, you just Oh, let's go! Let's get D light.
It's at this water bottle. Justin, it's at this water bottle.
Big mark, Kirby, big mark.
Nice, Kirby. Nice mark, Kirby.
Kai, push guard. Nice. Seal that, David. There you go. Come on, Colin. Yeah, run. Head him. 8-10.
10-8. Yeah.
We're up, yeah. Rush, put a little float on it. Hey, you're good. Lock him up. Get deep.
Carter, back in.
I go up the doors and shit. I would go with my roommates and my friend brothers. You're hot. There's like one good bar here. And that's flat. Blocks. That's it. And then like breweries or like, I like old school pizza. I mean, like breweries are cool.
Yeah, Carter. Stay on him, Carter. Yeah, Carter.
Hey! Pencil!
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! That is stalled.
There's a ball!
They did not get it off. Oh, man. Oh, man. Stall was out of his mouth after the 10 stall. Oh, my God.
He said 10 fast.
You guys are kidding me? Wow. There's a 6.
Sherwin, show.
Okay, I think it's an 8.
Sherwin, show. Go to your hot. Go to your hot. Go to your hot. Nice.
That's actually I would play it like this. But I played like. Hold on.
Yeah, dude. They definitely also.
Okay. And then right now they're.
Go big. Go big.
Yeah, push hard.
Up here, Peter. Hit him. Carter.
Great fill, Brad.
Give me the left.
Good, Brad.
Any block you get with your hand is a hand block.
Exactly.
Okay, Brad. Okay. In. There you go, Brad. Attaboy. Back. Hit it.
Up! Feel.
He lost on the transfer. He stopped rotation. He's calling something. He stopped rotation. That's a strictly score.
That's up, Brad. Go Cox! Let's go, Simon. Let's go.
No big.
Up!
Flat.
Yeah, on him, Lucas.
Danny, be chill.
Keep doing your hot. Sherwin.
Push guard close. Closer.
Hey, push guard hot. Push guard hot. Yes, push guard. Hands out, push guard, hands out. Yes, Sherwin. Up.
Yeah.
Sonny, you're hot.
That's it, baby. Yeah!
11-10.
Cooks!
Get down there. Come on, boys. Watch the strike.
Nice combo, Sonny. Nice combo. Will.
Oh, you got Johnny?
Come on, Justin, you got it.
Oh, you got Noah?
Yes!
Nice, Noah, nice.
Sunny.
Come on, there you go. Oh, yeah, Russ.
Sonny, Sonny.
Yeah, David.
Yeah, stay on.
Sonny, you're hot. Sonny.
Here we go.
Number 7, he was open. Let's go! Cox!
12-11.
Cox!
Thank you, Jackson.
Are we tied up?
Yes, you can.
Let's go, Maryland.
Hey, way to grind that out.
You got this, Cox.
Go.
Go. 100% through. Let's go.
Who's there?
He's covered in blue.
Every throw is scary right now.
On him, Peter.
Oh, got it.
Stop. That's all you, Peter. Hard block down! Come on, Park!
Yeah. Smart. 100% throws. There you go. Good.
Boy, run!
Go, Ross.
Oh, yes, go. Oh, hit count. Down! Get her harder. Out!
Yeah!
Let's fucking go! Game!
Gosh! Gosh!
Yes!
Fucking go! Hey, way to work for way to work.
Yeah.
Good shit, Charlie. Way to play.
It was fine the whole time, I promise.
He's got his yellow shorts.
Alright, circle up. Hold line. Hold line. Hold circle. Quakers. 1, 2, 3.
Good game, Astro Quakers! Cuss!
Hey, really nice job. Way to finish that game. Way to finish that game. Hey, this goes to show you, right? This is not something that's given to us. This is something that we have to take, right? This is going to be a battle for these people. So remember that. Bring this attitude. Remember what just happened here. Bring that into the rest of the tournament, right? We've got one more really important game today, and then we can go get Mexican, have fun. But let's go take care of business.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir.
Job's not finished.
Dirty Birds on 3. Dirty Birds on 3. Hey, no, 3. Dirty Birds!
Hey, guys.